Students, we are in chapter 6, that is Introduction to Word Processor. So in this session, we are going to discuss question and answer for this lesson. Yes, first we can have the first one, that is your choose the best answer. Yes, we can have. Yes, what is the first question for you? Yes, which is the opening screen of OpenOffice? Yes, it is your Start Center, that is option B for you. And second question, which option allows you to assign text, tables, graphics and other items to a key or key combination? Yes, the option is C for you, that is auto text. Then come to the third question, which menu contains the numbering format? Numbering option. Yes, which menu contain? Yes, the answer is format and the option is D for you. Then come to the fourth question, which is displayed at the topmost part of the window? So the topmost part is nothing but it is your title bar. So it is option C. Come to the fifth question, which is changing the default appearance of the text called? Yes, what it is for you? Yes, it is nothing but it is your text formatting. Then come to the sixth one. Yes, what is the sixth one for you? The file and replace option is available in which menu? Yes, it is available under edit menu. So it is option B for you. Come to the seventh question. Which button selects all instance of the search text in the document? Yes, for it is the correct answer is B, that is find all for you. Then come to the eighth one. What is the shortcut key to go to the start of the document? So it is the beginning of the document. It is Control plus Home. Then come to the ninth one. What is the shortcut key for finding and replacing text in a document? It is Control F5. Then 10th one. What is the shortcut key for undo? Yes, it is Control plus Z. So clear with the choose the best answer that I have given by now. Yes, next we can have the next one. It is your part 2. That is very short answer. So these very short answers for 2 marks for you. Okay, wow. Yes, come to the first question. How do you insert pictures into your document? So listen the question carefully. How do you insert pictures into your document? So for you, the answer for this question is in page number 94. So in your book, it is in page number 94. Yes, you people turn to page number 94. Yes, it is your part 5. Okay, wow. Yes, there you are having a subheading, no, inserting pictures. So in that third line you are having no mark from that. To insert an image from a file, the steps are as follow. Like that it is going on, no, mark from there till the points. Totally you are having 6 points, no? Yes, mark the 6 points. To the last one is, last word you will be having is inserted into the document. So till this you people mark, it is your part 2. First question. Okay, wow. Yes, clear with this one. So in your book it is in page number 94. Then come to the next one. What are the different packages in OpenOffice Writer? So for this one the answer is in page number 68. Okay, wow. In your book it is in page number 68. Yes, have you all taken? Yes, you people have to mark. Yes, you are having the packages, no? Yes, OpenOffice Writer, then OpenOffice Cal, OpenOffice Base, OpenOffice Impress, OpenOffice Draw, OpenOffice Formula. Yes, these and all you people have to mark. It is your part 2, second question. So till create formula and equations, till this you people have to mark. Okay, wow. So these are the packages. Then come to the next one. What is auto text in Writer? For this, the answer is in page number 95. In your book, it is in page number 95. Yes, you will come. Yes, there you will be having this one. Yes, you are having a heading, no? Inserting auto text. You are having a heading like that, no? Yes, mark the first 3 lines. Yes, you people have to mark like this only. You should not have the term you. So strike it off. Yes, I will read out. You listen. Auto text allows to assign text, tables, graphics and other items to a key or key combination. Till this you people have to mark. It is your part 2, third question. Then come to the next one. How do you merge cells in a table? So for this, the answer is in your book, it is in page number 92. Okay, why it is in page number 92. Yes, have you all taken? Yes, there you people are having a side heading, no? Merging and splitting cells. In that, just you people mark to merge a group of cells. Under that, you are having 2 points, no? Mark that 2 points alone. That is, select the cells to merge, right click and choose cell merge. Like that you are having, no? Yes, from the menu bar. Till that, you people mark. It is your part 2, fourth question. And next you people are having the next one. That is the state the difference between the proprietary software and open source software. Yes, for this one, you people have to copy it in your book where you people are having the space. You people have to copy it. Yes, this is the one you people have to write. So it is your difference. So draw the table like this. And first one, it is your open source software. Next one, it is your proprietary software. Yes, open source software. First point is, it is developed and tested through open collaboration. So under the next one, it is owned by the individual or the organization that developed it. Second point, anyone with academic knowledge can access, inspect, modify and redistribute the source code. Here, only the owner or publisher who holds the legal property rights of the source code can access it. Next one, the project is managed by an open source community of developers and programmers. And here, the project is managed by a closed group of individuals or a team that developed it. So, these are the points that you will have to write down under the difference between the open source software and proprietary software. Yes, next we are going to have the part 3, that is your short answer. So these are your 3 marks question, okay va? So what is the first question for you? Yes, what is the difference between moving and copying a text? So this is a difference. So you people have to draw the tabular column and you people have to write down. Yes, what is the first point? To move a text from one location to another. For that only you are going to use a moving text. Next one, it is your copying text. What it is? To copy a text from one location to another. Next, this next point is select the text to be moved. Here, select the text to be copied. And the third point, click Ctrl X or cut icon or edit cut. So these are 3 options you are having, no? The 3 options you people have to write down. Next, come to the next one. It is your click Ctrl plus C or copy icon, or what you have to do? You have to click edit copy, that is available in the menu for you. Then come to the fourth point. The text is removed from the source location and placed in the clipboard. And for copying, a duplicate copy of the text is made and sent to the clipboard. And come to the last point under moving text. Take the insertion pointer to the new location to be moved. And for copying, take the insertion pointer to the new location to be copied. So these are the 5 points that you people have to write down under part 3, first question. What it is for you? What is the difference between moving and copying a text? Okay, wow. Then come to the next one. What are the different types of orientation? So for this, it is in your book, it is in page number 84. Yes, we will come to page number 84. Yes, there you people are having the heading, no? Orientation. It is a 3-mark question, okay, wow. So from the beginning, there you are having the introduction of page orientation refers to how the document will be displayed on the screen and printed. That you have to write down. Next, you have to write the landscape. Next, you have to write the portrait. So these are the 2 types that you people are having under orientation. So for this one, the answer is in page number 84 for you. Okay, wow. Then come to the third question. How do you insert rows and columns? How do you insert rows and column? So it is in page number 92 for you. Okay, wow. Yes, there you people are on having on side heading, no, inserting rows and columns. In that you people are having 3 points, no, mark the 3 points. These and all you people have to write it for part 3, third question. So it is in page number 92 for you. Okay, wow. Yes, come to the next one. What are the different ways to save a document? You people are having few steps, no. Similarly, you are having some ways to that that is Control X. Next you will have to select from file, save, and otherwise you will have to click the icon, save icon. You are having, no, that only you will have to write. Okay, wow. So what are the different ways to save a document? So in your book it is in page number 72. Yes, you will come to page number 72. Yes, you people are having the heading, no, saving the document. So it is your 3-mark question. So you people write the 3 lines for the introduction. Then you people are having some steps, no. How many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps are there for you. Okay, wow. You write the 7 steps. So along with the introduction, you people have to write the 7 steps. So clear with the 4th one. So in your book it is in page number 72. Okay, wow. Then come to the 5th one. Write the steps to change the line spacing of text. What are the steps that you people are in need? That steps you have to write down. Okay, wow. For that you people come to page number 81 in your book. So in your book it is in page number 81. Yes, have you all taken? There you people are having the line spacing, no? Yes, you people have to mark the steps. You people are having the steps in that page, no? So you have to write the introduction also. Okay, wow. Since it's a 3-mark, just 2 lines of introduction is enough. That is, line spacing determines the amount of vertical space between lines of text in a paragraph. That alone first you people mark. Then you people, what you have to do? Come to the 4th line. Select the line or word or phrase. Right click, line spacing. Okay, wow. That alone you people mark. Then there are 7 different types. You are having, no, mark that one. Then you people write the 4 points. So what, as a whole, what we can tell? As a whole you people write down the whole thing. That is side heading you are having, no, line spacing. Just a full you people write down. Okay, wow. It is your part 3, 5th question. So it is in which page for you? It is in page number 81. So clear with this one. So till now we have completed part 1, part 2 and part 3. Yes, next we are going to have the part 4. Yes, what is the first question under part 4? What are the different methods to change margin in writer? So you people are now going to change the margin. For that, what are the steps? What are the methods that are available that we are going to write down by now? So in your book it is in page number 84. Okay, wow. Yes, we will come to page number 84. Yes, there you are having, no, changing page margin you are having, no. Yes, mark the introduction para till where you have to go on. Yes, the click on OK button. That is the 2 methods you people are having, no. Yes, here. Yes, here you are having. From here you will mark. That is, changing or setting page margins in OpenOffice Writer can be done in 2 ways. You are having the 2 ways. Then the first one is explained for you. That is, changing page margins using ruler. And the next one, it is page using the page style dialog box. So both this you people have to write down. So in your book it is in page number 84 for you. Okay, wow. Yes, then what is the next question for you? Yes, what are header and footer? How do you insert page numbers? Yes, in your book you people come to page number 85 and 86. Okay, wow. Yes, working with headers and footers you are having, no? Yes, full you people have it. It's a 5-mark question. Okay, wow. So from the beginning till to the next page you are having, no, select the desired style and click OK button. You people have to mark till this one. So this is your part 4, second question. Then come to the next one. Write the steps to find and replace a word with another word in OpenOffice Writer. So it is your find and replace. Okay, va? So in your book, you people come to page number 88. Yes, there you are having, no, it is your part 3. Yes, it is 6.11. There you are having the heading as find and replace, no? That one only you people have to mark. For that, from where you people have to begin? Yes, the introduction para, 4th line. To search word. From there you people begin. From there till the last. That is, enable whole words only. To make the search more specific to words used separately alone. Till that you people have to mark. So you have to mark steps to find and replace a text. Full you people have to mark. It is your part 4, third question. So clear with this one. Then come to the next one. It is your explain page formatting in writer. Page formatting in writer. It is in your book page number 83. In your book it is in page number 83. You are having page formatting, no? Yes, full you people have to write. That is 6 point full. Here you have to include the introduction, then setting the page size, then changing page margin, orientation, page color. Yes, till this you people have to write. Okay, va? So clear with the page formatting in writer. By this we have completed the part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Yes, now we can enter into the book inside. Yes, this is your chapter 6 in your book. Okay, va? Yes, first it is your introduction. Here you people have to mark an extra question. Okay, va? So that is your word processor. So from here till the document, you people have to mark. It is your extra 2 mark question. The question is what is word processor or define word processor. Like that you will mark. Again another, it is your word processor. So next have another one question, what is word processing. Okay, va? So from here you people have to mark word processing is an activity. From here till here you people have to mark. So in this para itself you people are having extra 2 mark question. The first one it is your word processor and next one it is your word processing. Okay, va? Yes, next you people can have the, yes, also these are the familiar proprietary software and open source software. Example for this one. So this is your package. First one it is your Microsoft Word. Developer is Microsoft Corporation. The next one is WPS Word, Kingsoft Word Pro by Lotus. The next one it is your open source Word. These 3 for your proprietary example. The next 3 is for your open source. The first one it is your OpenOffice Writer. It is by Apache. Next one it is your LibreOffice Writer by the Document Foundation. Next one it is your AbiWord by AbiSource. Okay, va? So these are the example. So mark each and everything. It is your one words. Then come to the next one. It is your Tamil word processor. So here you people underline. That is your LibreOffice, Tamil LibreOffice Writer, Kamban 3.0, Mendamil 2017. So underline each and everything. Yes, next we are going to proceed inside an introduction to OpenOffice Writer. Okay, va? So here you people are having a collection of packages, no? Just now we have marked these for your book back question already. Yes, come to this side. So creating a new document, mark this one. It is an extra question for you. Yes, go on. The question can be like this. Write the steps to open OpenOffice Writer. Okay, wow. Yes, you people mark from here till, yes, from here till here. Now a welcome screen appears. Till this you people mark. What is the question for this one? Steps to create a new document. Otherwise, how to open OpenOffice Writer. So if the question is how to open OpenOffice Writer, enough, until here it is enough. So another one is how to open a new document in means then it will continue here for you. Here till here. Text document from any OpenOffice till it will be continuing for you. Okay, va? Till there you have to go on. For this one the question is how to open a text document in OpenOffice Writer. So here you are having a shortcut key, no? Control+N. That also you people mark it off. Yes, next. Yes, next it's another important question. What are the parts of the writer window? So from here you will have to mark each and everything. You must draw this diagram. Okay, wow. So that diagram, it will be having a parts marked. No, that one you will have to mark. So the parts of the writer window, from here the beginning starts for you. From here it will be going on. So I will give the end for you. Okay, wow. So this is the diagram that you will have to draw. Yes, it is going on, title bar, then maximize. To that side we'll be having the minimize, close button. Yes, in between this one itself you are going to have another 5-mark question. Write about the menu bar. Okay, wow. From here you people have to write, and all the menu bars will be explained here for you, that you people have to write down. It is another 5-mark question. Already it is inside the parts of the window, and adukku keela da nama idha mark pannirkom. Okay, wow. Next you people are to this side, you are going to have what are that write the question above the toolbar. Okay, what are the two types of toolbar? What are the two types? Standard toolbar, and the next one it is your formatting toolbar. Mark this one. So these and all, so to this side. So these and all already marked for your question. Which question? Menu bar. Okay, wow. Then we have just now marked what are the two types of toolbar. If it is just it can be a 3-mark question for you. So you have to write the explanation also. Standard toolbar. Yes, and formatting toolbar. Okay, well, no need to draw the diagram. And next you people are having the ruler. Next you are having the workspace. And next you people are having the status bar. Next, entering the text. Okay, wow. Yes, and to this side what I see in the entering the text, you people are having another 2-mark question, word wrap. Okay, wow. Yes, mark from here. When the text reaches the end of the line, the word is automatically wrapped to the next line. This feature in any word processor is known as word wrap. Okay, wow. So mark this one, it is your extra 2-mark question. Similarly, in this tabular column, you people have to go on with each and everything. It is your 1 words, extra 1 word. So already this is your book bag. Control plus home to the beginning of the document. It's your book bag. Okay, wow. Yes. Then come to the saving the document. So this also we have finished. It's also your book bag. By side itself, what do you people have to do? Saving with password. This also you people must have a glance over it. So it can be asked a separate question for you. Okay, wow. Saving with password. Mark that one. So here you people see, so while you people are saving your document, what is the extension? Yes, .odt. So it is your extension for writer, for OpenOffice Writer. .odt is the extension for you. Okay, ma'am. Underline that also. Yes, saving with password finished. Yes, next you people are having closing a document. Just you people underline the shortcut, it's enough. File, close, next Control plus W. Okay, wow. Then come to the next one, opening an existing document. What is the shortcut key? File open or Control plus open. Sorry, Control plus O. Yes, next it is your Tamil typing interface. Just read over that one. Then come to the next one. Yes, it is your select, move and copy text. Mark this one. So selecting a text alone can be an extra 5-mark question for you. Selecting a text from here, you will be having 2. What are they? Selecting the continuous text, and the next one it is you're selecting the non-continuous text. Okay, wow. You have to mark that one. So till this you people mark, it is your extra 5-mark question just for selection alone. Yes, similarly the selection continue here also. That is selection using other methods, using mouse, and next it is by using your keyboard. That also you people have to mark. Okay, wow. Selection using shortcut keys. Yes, till here you people have to mark. So from the beginning till here you have to mark. It is your extra 5-mark question. Similarly, next you people are having moving and copying a text. Underline all the steps. So in that everything simply given in a simple tabular column for you. Just go through this one. So just you people remember the shortcut keys. Okay, wow. And menu. Next you people are having the paste special. Yes, separately it is a 3-mark question for you. Okay, wow. Yes, here you must specify the term select DDE. That is nothing but, yes, dynamic data exchange. Okay, we're clear with this one? Yes, next we can move on. Yes, DDE is separately given here for you people. Mark it. It is an extra 2-mark question. Yes, till this we have completed. Next they have given some workshops for you people. Yes, next it is your formatting text and paragraph. This is your part 2 in chapter 6. So here, yes, here you people can have formatting. Here, from here you people mark. What is a formatting? Okay, wow. OpenOffice Writer offers a number of choices for formatting. Here, till here you people mark it. From OpenOffice Writer till text formatting. Similarly, here you are having another one extra question. What is a font? A font is a set of characters in a particular style that you people mark. Similarly, here the other formatting options can be selected by using format character. Okay, wow. Underline this one. Similarly, here you are having a question. What is text formatting? So full. Changing the default appearance from here till text formatting, you people have to mark. It is an extra question for you. So this is your tabular column where you people are having some extra shortcuts, okay, for bold, italic, underline. And to this side you people are having the changing the case. Mark this one. It is also a extra 3-mark question for you, okay. There you people are having uppercase, toggle, sentence case, everything you people are having. Yes, till here you people have to complete. Select the record options, okay. Next you people are having the highlighting text, underline the highlighting icon. So why you need a highlighting? Yes, to draw attention. So mark this one, okay. Next it is your clearing the format. So in that just you people mark the 2 steps alone. Just you people have the procedure, that's all, okay. Then come to this side. Yes, it's your paragraph alignment. Next you people are having the paragraph alignment. Mark that full. It is your extra important 5-mark question, okay. There you people have to go on with the left alignment, right, center, justified, everything you people must have, and no need to draw the diagram and all. So this is a simple tabular column to tell the what else the para that just now we have discussed, okay. So Control L, these are the shortcuts, everything is given in a single paragraph for you. So this is your example. So how the alignment is given here for you, it is explained here for you. It is your left, right, center, and this is your justified, okay. So already everything we have discussed in the practical session also. Yes, next it is your line spacing, already marked for your book back. Next you have to mark the indent. It is your extra 5-mark question. The heading full you people have to mark, okay. Indenting text 6.8.3 full you people have to mark. So hanging indent separately you people mark. It is your 2-mark question. In that itself you people are having first line also, okay. Next you people mark the full, that is your bullets and numbering. So these are the steps also you people have to write down, bullets and numbering. It is your extra 5-mark question. So next you people are having the page formatting. Here you are having no. Already it is marked for your, this is already marked for your book back last 5-mark question, okay. Already we have marked this one. Next it is your orientation. Yes, landscape. This is your landscape, and next you people will be having your portrait. Landscape, portrait. Already it is marked for your 3-mark question. Yes, next it is your page colors. Yes, next it is your working with headers and footers. So that also already we have finished it for your book back questions, okay. Yes. Yes, this is your, yes. Next it is your part 3, that is your find and replace and spell check, okay. So here you people are having no, to search a word, click from here till here. We have already marked it for your, yes, book back detail. Already we have marked this one, okay. Next it is your spell check, auto spell check. Yes, auto spell check you people mark. It is your extra 5-mark question. Mark it. Similarly, automatic correction also, you people have to mark this one. It is your extra question. Then it is your activity, so no need. Yes, the next one it is working with tables, okay. So you people here, what else you people have to mark? You have to mark the different techniques to insert tables, okay. Yes, mark it. Here you people are having no. there are two methods to create a table. That is your method 1, method 2. Mark this one. It is your important 3-mark question. So here also you will be having click OK. Okay, va? Do not split table. Everything you people have to mark. Similarly, people underline the shortcuts. Control plus F12. Table, insert table. Everything you people underline that one. Yes, next it is your formatting table. Yes, to this side you are having deleting rows and columns, merging and splitting. Here you are having inserting rows and columns. Everything individually people mark. Already it is given for your book back short answers. Okay, va? Yes, next it is your enhancing and printing a document. Okay, va? Yes, here first it is your inserting pictures. Already marked it for your book back. To insert from here till to this side we have marked. Okay, va? Yes, till document. Already it is marked for your book back one. So next you people have to go on with the inserting symbols. Here also people are having the steps. That also you people mark. Next you people are having inserting shapes. Again you people mark this one as a full. It is for your 3-mark question. All the points you must go on. Okay, va? Similarly, next you people are having inserting auto text. So already these 2 lines are marked for the book back auto text. Okay, va? So go on with the steps also. Yes, next it is your page previewing and printing a document. So here the steps are given and what are the menu they have specified. No, everything you people underline. Okay, va? Just now we finished all the book inside. So here each and everything you people have to read out. Similarly, you people underline what are the menus, what are the shortcuts that you people have to proceed. Everything you people have to underline. Then only it will be easy for you people to revise and write down for 1 mark, 2 mark, or 3 mark or 5 mark. Okay, va? Yes, next we can continue. Yes, next what else we are having? Yes, here as a whole the shortcuts are given here in your annexure. Okay, va? So each and everything just you people read out. Reading will make you people everything remember. Okay, va? Just you people read out the annexure one. So this is just have a glance over this one. This is for your Tamil keyboard. Okay, va? And next it is your book bags. Yes, next you people are having glossary. So what else we have discussed inside? Everything is given in a short format for you. So first it can be your word processor. Next it is your OpenOffice writer. What is proprietary? Next embedding, highlighting, indents, DDE, page special. The next headers. What is a footer? Auto text, auto spell check, automatic correction. So everything is given here for you people. Okay, va? So just to people have a glance over what is given in your points to remember, glossary, annexure, everything you people have a glance over it. So everything can be asked for your 1 words, 2 marks, or what else possible way they will be asking the question for you. So clear with the book back, what else we have marked. Similarly, book inside, everything is given for you people for the 6th chapter. So clear with the markings. Yes, thank you students.